In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailchimp API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to name your key, and how to copy it safely so you can connect Mailchimp to the tools you use. Once you're signed in to your Mailchimp account in a web browser, look to the top right of your dashboard. You'll see your profile avatar or account initials there. Click that to open the account menu. This menu is where Mailchimp keeps all of your account settings, billing, and developer options, so it's the quickest way to get to the right place. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This takes you to your main account area where you can manage plan detail and, importantly, access developer features. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the right permissions for your workspace. Owner and admin roles typically have access. Inside the account area, find the section labeled Extras. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a tab at the top or a drop-down menu. Click Extras to reveal additional options that aren't part of the everyday campaign workflow. Next, select API keys. This opens Mailchimp's API management page. Here, you'll see any existing keys associated with your account, along with their labels and statuses. If you're working with multiple integrations, these labels are crucial for keeping everything organized. To create a new key, click Create a Key. Mailchimp will prompt you to add a name or label. Type a clear, descriptive name that reminds you where this key will be used, like the app, website, or environment it's for. Good naming makes troubleshooting and cleanup much easier later. After you've entered the name, click Generate Key. Mailchimp will immediately create a new API key and display it on the page. Treat this key like a password. Anyone with access to it can interact with your account via the API based on your permissions. Finally, click Copy to Clipboard next to the new key. As soon as you've copied it, paste it into a secure place you control, such as a trusted password manager or your application's encrypted secret storage. Avoid sharing the key in emails, chat messages, or public documents. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, return to this same page to disable or delete the key and generate a new one. That's it. You clicked your profile, went to Account and Billing, opened Extras, chose API keys, created a key, named it, generated it, and copied it securely. You're now ready to connect Mailchimp to your integrations with confidence.